This is the BM-21 Grad, a Soviet truck-mounted 122mm multiple rocket launcher, developed in the early 1960s. Development of the 122mm BM-21 Grad divisional level OSHO was carried out in the mid-1950s under the guidance of the Splav Scientific Production Concern in Tula. The main role of the BM-21 Grad system was to support the division with suppressive fire to counter anti-tank missile positions, artillery and mortars, destroying strong points and eliminating nodes of enemy resistance on the immediate battlefield.